My name is Rajan and today I am going to give a video presentation. Step 1. Define the problem. Due to overcrowd, there is a physical and mental disorder between the prisoners. So, due to which the justice sector decided to release the prisoners, those times are close to their release date by wearing wireless tracking device. The problem with this device is that it is uncomfortable, awkward and weighty to wear by the prisoners. The device also lose tracking when there is a loss of internet. So the department wants me to redesign a new wireless variable tracking device which used to track the activities of the prisoners and to look the location of the prisoners. Since the constraints of the solution is that since the device must be comfortable, fashionable, easy to remove and not harm the skin, we should use a soft metal, and the software should contain a strong design coding, due to which we should insert some new features in the software by using the chip. Step 2. Problem analysis. Technology is a bright option for the future generation and the department is also going to take the help of this technology to see the prisoners activity in a proper manner. So features of the software: battery should run up to 14 days on a single charge. The personal activity intelligence feature should be added. The device should be water resistant, and the sleeping monitor facility should be also added in the device. And internet updated technicality means internet update connectivity should be very high. The criteria to establish good potential solution is that it should be comfortable, fashionable, light in weight, smaller in size, long lasting battery, having harder outer look, prevent side effects on the skin, not easily remove, and it should be waterproof. Step 3. Generating possible solution. It is the collaboration work which I have done with the head, in which I have found that the wireless device should be have a good software which includes some new features with having the great internet connectivity which cannot be lost by when the prisoners wear it, and it should be the device should be flexible, durable, and it should be having comfortability when it's wear, and it should be light in the weight. Step 4. Analyzing the solution. The solution 1, we should use the rubber bracelet. Solution 2, Dell free silicone bracelet, or solution 3, plastic bracelet. The advantages of rubber bracelet is that it is durable, light in weight and flexible and strong, but the disadvantage is that has the device needed the battery long lasting which provide heat, and the metal already getting hot by wearing it. The problem with the plastic bracelet is that it lose the color and it easily can broke. Solution number 2, Dell Breeze silicone bracelet. In this, the advantages of it is that it is comfortable, lightweight, ability to wash. We can wash it, and it is non-allergic. It does not provide any harm to our skin, and that's the point which I have discussed about the plastic. Also, the plastic lose the color and it can be break. The best step 5, selecting the best solution. The best solution which I am going to find is that the Dell Breeze silicone bracelet is the best, as I have shown in step 2. It's cover my all criteria points for the solution, and as I have shown in step 4 the advantages and disadvantages, in which I found that the advantages of the silicone bracelet is more and the disadvantage of it is less compared to the others. So I decided to go with the silicone nail bracelet. I have thoroughly enjoyed the whole video presentation, and from now I will try to solve my all problems by using these 5 steps, and including all the opportunities which I am going to do now. The most challenging part was the collaboration part, which is the step 3, and from now I am going to have a new look to any problem which comes under me. And my personal experience to work with this assessment was so good. I have enjoyed thoroughly the whole assessment. I have learned many things from this assessment: how to analyze the whole problem, how to see whether the points containing advantage, disadvantage, and I have learned many more things from this video presentation. So thank you for watching.